Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Peter. Thank you for joining us today. I'm very happy and excited that you are joining us today. Please don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be looking at how to create Windows 10 bootable USB drive using a utility software called Rufus. Rufus is a utility software that helps us to format and create bootable USB flash drive. So to get started, you only need few things. The first thing you need is Windows 10 ISO image, and if you don't have Windows 10 ISO image, please watch my video on how to create an ISO file with ISO creator. Number 2, you need a USB flash drive, and I will recommend you use at least 8 GB USB flash drive and above. For this tutorial, I'm using a 32 GB USB flash drive. But before we proceed, I need to sound this note of warning. Please make sure you are using a blank flash drive. Don't keep any important file inside the flash drive you intend to use to create your bootable USB flash drive. Make sure it is blank, because during the process of creating our bootable USB flash drive, your flash drive will be formatted. So in order not to lose your important document, please make sure you use a blank flash drive. Number 3, you need Rufus software. So in this tutorial, I'll be using the latest version of Rufus software. Now let's get started. You can see I already have my Windows 10 ISO image on my desktop, and also I have my Rufus URL on my notepad already. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to insert my USB flash drive into my USB port. So I'm going to open this PC and I'm going to insert my USB flash drive. As you can see, this is my USB flash drive already inserted, and I'm going to open my Rufus URL. This is the Rufus URL on my notepad. So I'm going to copy the URL. This is the address. You can call it URL or address. So I'll copy this, and then we open my browser, and then I will go to my address bar and paste the URL. So let me just press enter. So this is Rufus website, and the next thing I'm going to do now is to download Rufus software. So I'm going to download the latest version, which is Rufus 3.14. so let's wait for this to download. So Rufus software is downloading. So here it's showing download complete. So I'm going to double click on this and launch my Rufus software. Just click on yes to run the software, and then automatically, since I've already inserted my USB flash drive, this is Rufus 3.14 interface. So I've already inserted my USB flash drive, and as you can see, it's already appearing here. So this is my USB flash drive, and then here I'm going to select the image. That's my Windows 10 ISO image. So what I'm going to do now is to click on select and browse to the location of my ISO image. So the location of my ISO image is desktop. As you can see, it's on my desktop. So I'm clicking on the image, and now we have image option. We have standard window installation, which is okay. Then here we have any partition scheme, which is GPT. That's a GUID partition table. So but for this tutorial, I'll be using MBR, because most of the computers support MBR, that's master boot records. But if we are thinking of using about 2 TB hard disk drive for partitioning, please, you can decide to use GPT. But for this tutorial, I'll be using MBR, that's master boot record. And here you can decide to change your volume label. Here I want to use Windows 10, so I'm going to type Windows 10 as my volume label, Windows 10, and then I'm going to leave this my file system as NTFS, which is one of the latest technology you can use. So once you have done that and you are sure everything is okay, just click on start. So I'm going to click on start now. So I'm doing that right away, and you have seen this warning. It says all data on the device USB flash drive G 32 GB will be destroyed. To continue with this operation, please click OK. To quit, click cancel. So now I'm going to click OK, because I have nothing to lose inside that USB flash drive. So I will just click on OK. So let's wait for the process to begin. So as you can see, this is the status of our operation. So you just need to wait for some minutes. Now the bootable USB drive has been created, So and you can see the status showing ready. So I'm going to click on close now, and then to confirm that our bootable USB flash drive has been created, I will go to this PC now to check the status of flash drive. As you can see, Windows 10 bootable flash drive has been created, and then this is our flash drive. I'm going to open it now. As you can see, inside the flash drive we have the Windows installation file. So now you can start using this flash drive for Windows 10 installation. All you need to do is to insert your USB flash drive into the PC on which you intend to install your Windows 10, and then you go to BIOS and set your PC to boot from USB. It is that simple. Please don't forget to share and like and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.